दर्शक बंधु वर्तमान आधुनिक जुगरे जड़े मनीष को सफल होगा कहले बाक चातुरी हूँ तार प्रथम अमोघ अस्त्र। से छोट छोट पिला मध्य से भाषण कलार विकास आम ये स्वतंत्र उपस्थापन आरंभ करूँ प्रतिभा अन्वेषण 2। यही प्रतियोगितार बहु संख्यक भाग नहीं निजर दक्षता को निजर प्रतिभा को जगत पृष्ठपट में उज्जीवित कराइबा है। भारत अटई जन्मभूमि मोर तिरंगा मो स्वाभिमान ताहारी सेवारे न लगी पारे तुच्छ मो नर जीवन। दर्शक बंधु आमर ये स्वतंत्र प्रतियोगिता प्रथम प्रतियोगी भाव में श्रीमान दुर्गा माधव सेठी अंशग्रहण कर वर्तमान ओडिशा आदर्श विद्यालय नवम क्लास अध्ययनरत अच्छा। तेज चलतु शुणा तांकरी मोहर तांकरी भाषण।
A very good morning to all my friends. My name is Durga Madhav. Today, 15th of August, is a very important day for our nations. Friends, as you know, we are celebrating our Independence Day every year in 15th of August. And there are thousands of freedom fighters and country peoples who sacrificed their life for our nations. Indian Army soldiers Mangal Pandey was first raised his voice against British rule. After that, there were so many great leaders who involved and started their plan for making India an independent. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rajguru, and many more who gave his sacrifices just for our country. When the people of whole world were sleeping, the people in India were struggling and working to get freedom from British rule. But finally India got independent on 15th of August 1947. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, gave his famous Taste with Destiny speech at the Red Fort in Delhi. After independence, India became a largest democratic country in the world. And the best example of unity is diversity. On this day, local and government offices were closed, shops, business and other organizations may be closed or have reduced their working hours. Independence Day is a day when the people in India pay homage to their leaders and those who fought for our country. Our new generation has considered the national days like Independence Day and Republic Day just as a holiday. Some people get busy to update their status on Facebook and WhatsApp to prove their patriotism. But is this right time to show their patriotism? No. Patriotism can be displayed in many ways. We can participate in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Our Honorable Prime Minister started initiative in 2014 so that we can celebrate such festival by cleaning our localities, offices, workplace and many more. So that the true meaning of nationalism and patriotism are maintained with dignity. Not only this, we can do charity to the helpless people. Leaders do politics on religion for their vote banking. Leaders do politics on turban. But why don't they try to understand that religion and patriotism both are different? कोई भी धर्म बुरा नहीं होता, धर्म के ठेकेदार. Yes, the contractors of religion. You must have heard about in news channels that they mislead us in the name of religion. But I don't need to explain about anymore. But the most important that this is because of lack of education. बढ़ेंगे इंडिया तो बढ़ेंगे इंडिया. In this thought, I want to end my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.